Adventures in Preschool. Tommy was a bundle of energy, his tiny hands always busy and his curious eyes scanning everything around him. So, when his mom dropped him off at preschool for the very first time, he was a mix of excitement and apprehension. The colorful room, filled with toys and laughter, was a whole new world to explore. His teacher, Miss Lily, was warm and gentle. She helped Tommy hang up his backpack, decorated with his favorite cartoon character, and introduced him to the other children. There was Emily, who loved to build with blocks, and Ethan, who was always chasing the bouncy ball. Tommy spent the morning discovering new things. He slid down the colorful slide, giggling with delight. He stacked blocks higher than he ever had before, feeling a surge of pride. And when it was time for snack, he tried a new kind of cracker, declaring it yummy. As the day drew to a close, Tommy was tired but happy. He gave his mom a big hug, already looking forward to his next adventure at preschool. Hope you enjoyed this short story of adventures in preschool.